guys, welcome to another edition of Christ and Creative Therapy. In today's video, we're going to be installing my very first herb garden. All right, so of course I just kind of picked through the weeds to kind of get everything out that I don't want to be there. It was quite much more than in this video. All right, and so then now I am laying out thumbtacks. And so I saw this in another video and it helped the gardener lay their plants in a straight line. And so of course I needed to incorporate that because I know my line is going to be crooked. And of course I have my little man out here helping me in the garden, because what kid does not enjoy getting dirty, right? All right, so you can see here how I just use thumbtacks to screw, I guess, tie on one end and on the other end to make sure that it is a straight row. And you want to make sure that everything is secure, because this one right here, this third one, was giving me the most. I think I had to do it about 3 times before, you see it came off again, before it stayed. So make sure that you are securing it tightly. I was actually using the type of ribbon that you use on gifts. So maybe a rope, something a little more sturdier would be better, but I just used what I had laying around. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. Like and comment below your opinion and things you want to learn more of. Alright, so if you see there, I have my handy dandy notebook, and some of my parents will get that. But in the garden, we're going to be laying out some thyme, some oregano, sage, and rosemary. And so you see there, I just plant along the lines that I installed to kind of help me keep things straight. And it's very important that you do your research, because some of the plants need to be like 12 inches apart, 18 inches, or 6 inches. And so this kind of, I kind of eyeballed it to kind of make sure things were like scattered out and they had enough space. As you see here, I'm just kind of mentally thinking, making sure everything is right. And then I had some extra seeds that I'm actually going to be using, because some of the herbs I only need like 6 inches apart versus some of the other herbs that need more space. Alright, so once I lay the herb in the area that I want, I use some of my fertilizer for the ground to kind of help them grow, get as much nutrients, to help them get that start, even though these are already seedlings, but they're being transported into new dirt, a new area for them. So definitely try to give them a fighting chance so there's not as much of a shock. And I'm still learning all of this. Plenty of times I've transported some things and they don't survive, so I'm trying to make the best of my garden. And so here's just a close-up of me putting, and I think that row is my oregano. And pretty much once you have 1 or 2 in, you can kind of eyeball it to kind of help you keep the rest straight. And so I just removed those lines since it was getting in the way anyway, and moved on to my sage. And I'm the type of person that I haven't learned how they look or what the herb is just by looking at them. So of course I try to keep the, the identification marker because I'll be kind of lost without it. And so as you see here, I just have some seedlings that I can plant in between them. So I go ahead and take advantage of that. Just kind of eyeballing it. I want to make sure I read the instructions because some seedlings or seeds, excuse me, you don't need to be as deep. And of course, the little one wants to get involved and help out as much as possible. Alright, so the last plant has been put in, and I'm just trying to clean up as I go. And so definitely just starting out, getting them off on a good start by watering them. And there you have it, my first herb garden with the support of my little one. Isn't she lovely? Super excited now. I just need to learn how to properly prune them so that it can grow and thrive. Please make sure you all subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. And I shall see you all later. Take care.